Hey everyone, PCI Race Radios here, the GPS experts, and today we are going to show you how to import your race course into your Garmin Tread XL Baja GPS. Before we get started, head over to our website, go to our FAQs, and you're going to search for our GPS cheat sheet. This is a great resource for you to keep in the race truck to cover everything that we're going to go over here today, and a bunch of other really neat features and settings that we like on this GPS unit. It's great to print out, throw in the chase truck, throw it in the race truck. Back to the GPS unit, we always want to start with a clean GPS. So the first thing that we're going to do is delete everything that's in there now. You're going to press Race Files, and then click on this triangle to the right, and this is going to give you your options of all of your files, just your waypoints, just your tracks, or your collections. We're going to click on All, and then the three dots at the top right-hand corner, and then select and edit. Select this icon to select all, and then the trash can to delete everything. It's going to confirm, and now all of your waypoints and all of your tracks have been deleted. From here, you can import in, and if you lose this, you can always go back into your race files. And then if this is for some reason not here, into the three dots and import. You're going to select the GPX file off of your SD card, so save that from the sanctioning body file. And today we're going to import in the San Felipe 250 full GPX, and we'll press OK. From here, you can see there's 219 waypoints and 2 tracks. You can click on the drop down here. You can see these different tracks. We're going to hit cancel and just select all. In most circumstances, you're always just going to go ahead and select all. Then you'll press next. From here, you can put these into a collection, and a collection is going to be really helpful if you have multiple drivers making multiple notes, say for like a Baja 1000 course. And what that will allow you to do is delete that collection so that when you're combining these GPS files later, you're not duplicating in the sanctioning body information like the race miles. So we created this new collection called San Felipe 250, and then we'll click on Import. So now you can see that all of our data, if you want to drill down just to your tracks, you could select those here. And there's some really neat functionality in these tracks that I'll share with you as well. If you click on the tracks, you can go in here into your settings tab, and this will allow you to do things like set the color of the track, change your colors to pink and blue and red, and have different colors for different types of tracks. Another thing you can do is adjust the track width. They have a normal, a wide, and a widest version. And keep in mind that this applies to all of the tracks on the GPS, not just the one that you're working in currently. You can also show on top, which is a nice feature if you are pre-running your own trails and want to be able to show a different color from the sanctioning body provided course to your own. Collections would allow you to change those to be into a different collection, and then you can delete from here as well. Back into the screen that we were in originally, you can see that there's some other functionality here, like the edit button, edit pen here. And when you zoom into edit, you can actually see every single point that's been drawn in the trail. And you can actually make changes right from the screen, which is a nice change. So for some reason, if you're going to take this other way around, you can click on move. You can grab these waypoints and physically move these waypoints over just on this screen here. So kind of a neat functionality that's new in a GPS that we've seen. If there's too many points or not enough, if you wanted to just delete that little guy right there, you could click on delete and delete those guys. And you can save that when you're done. It'll save it as the existing track or save as a new one, but we're just going to cancel those changes. And that's a quick tutorial on how to import your GPX file into your Garmin Baja GPS unit. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. Check out some more videos for more details on how to race and chase with these and pre-run. We've got some more detailed videos that you can find. If you have more questions, feel free to shoot us an email, a direct message, or come by and see us at a race. Thank you guys for choosing PCI Race Radios, the GPS experts.